Administrator Setup for Objectives and Key Results in Rally. Before anyone in your organization can use the new OKRs functionality, an administrator must perform the following setup tasks. Rally allows you to define objective hierarchy levels, define the relationship alignment of your objectives, and decide what portfolio item types can be associated with a specific objective type. Before making these changes in Rally, be sure that you have finalized your configurations with your stakeholders. There are certain changes you will not be able to make, for example, rearranging your hierarchy levels, once users have started creating objectives. You will need subscription or workspace admin rights to configure your objective hierarchy. To begin, navigate to the Workspaces and Projects page and select the workspace you want to configure. Select Fields and then Objectives from the Types drop-down. Select the gear next to Hierarchy Level. Rally does not include any default objective hierarchy levels. Select Add New to create your first hierarchy level. You'll start by entering the name and prefix of your lowest hierarchy level first. We'll call this Team Objective for now with the prefix TO. Continue this process until you have all of your objective hierarchy levels configured with a maximum of 5 levels. Keep in mind that not all OKRs need to be tracked in Rally. The goal is to enter the OKR levels that relate to the work you are tracking in Rally in order to provide important context. Once you have all objective hierarchy levels created, you can map which level of your portfolio item hierarchy should map to which level of your objective hierarchy. Not all levels require a work mapping. However, you can only map each portfolio item level once and need to follow the order of your defined portfolio item hierarchy. Once you are done with this configuration, you can review the default state model that Rally ships. You can configure an independent state model for each hierarchy level. Now let's look at how to grant the OKR admin role for a given user. The OKR admin role determines who can create, edit, and delete objectives and key results in your organization. Please note that by default, no user will have this role enabled, not even the subscription admin. Simply select the checkbox for the OKR admin role to grant these rights to the user. We hope that this gives you a good overview of the OKR admin configurations and capabilities.